Good evening, Teresa and classmates. My name is Constance. Today I will show you the superstitions about the classical guitar. But today I can borrow the classical guitar, so I take the folk guitar for you. The classical guitar structure is like this, and the classical guitar string is made by nylon, so it also called the nylon guitar. This is called a pedal. The superstition is, first, the pedal, don't let anyone touch it before the performance. If you let anyone touch your pedal, the audience will not pay attention to your performance. And the nail should be like this picture. Your fingernail not too sharp and long. If your finger too long or too sharp, you will play very terrible sound. So, your score don't put on the shirt. If you put one score on the shirt, the score will drop on the ground, and you will be very nervous. And remember, don't let anyone touch your pedal. And the nail not too long and sharp. And don't put one score on the shirt. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you.